Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now, we'll be discussing about something nice. Always close all HTML elements. In HTML, you do not have to close all elements. For example, the P element, you don't have to close it. But however, we strongly recommend closing all HTML elements like this. When you have your section, inside your section, when you are having your P tag, make sure that your P tag is often having the closing P tag. It's a bad attitude to have P tag without closing P tag because it may cause an error. That's what I want to show you guys. Make sure that you close your P tag every time you are writing your code, and some elements inside your HTML code need closing tag. Anytime you find any element that needs closing tag, make sure you close your tag. And to the next, Anwar, akorede, ayofe is my name. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.